Aggieville, home of the brave, land of the free, full of wheat, love, and laughter. Okay, I can't do this. Let's just get straight into it. The evolution of Aggieville. Over the last 125 years, the word Aggieville has seen a lot of different things, from starting out as laundries, bookstores, and barbershops at the core of Aggieville's business district to now, a mix of 14 bars, 7 restaurants, 3 coffee shops, and a range of diverse small businesses within the district that we call Aggieville. In my pursuit to find out more about how Aggieville has evolved over the years and what to expect for the future, I'm visiting the brain of the Ville, Aggieville's corporate office, to sit down with Dennis Cook, Executive Director of the Ville, and find out more about what to expect for the future and what problems the district might face.
For years, a lot of years, parking's been the #1 issue for a lot of what goes wrong with Aggieville. Parking has never been enough, and so the parking garage was huge. That we needed to get that going, and that's one of 2. We're still planning a second parking garage. One on the east end, one on the west end, one on the east end, and so that still needs to happen. But originally, we thought that by 2023 or so that we could possibly be done. But then here comes private development, which moves the timeline and moves some things over. So right now, we're probably looking more like 2025, to be able to say, and that's it. We accomplished everything that we needed to accomplish.
So with a plan in place to attract more private developers in the years to come, the Aggieville Business Association and Dennis Cook are poised to have a few busy years ahead of them. But to get a better understanding of who Dennis is and what he does in his position, I asked Ben Shamil, the long-range planner for the Aggieville Community Vision, and Kristen Dolph, the management assistant for the City of Manhattan, what they've taken away from their experiences of working with Dennis.
Next piece is he's very engaged and wanting to see these things come to life in Aggieville and wants what's best for the district. He's cognizant of his businesses and their needs and desires, but also the community's vision for the district. And so I know that he and his board are engaged in wanting these things to happen and are excited about it and are willing to get on board and help when they can.
But he's been great to work with in terms of communication between us and Aggieville, really exchanging ideas, but also just sort of working well with the phasing of improvements to make sure that we're minimizing impact to businesses as these improvements are being made. And he's really helped kind of establish buy-in with the rest of the district.
And so it's either this or greet people at Walmart, and I thought, I can do this for a while. And but this keeps you, Aggieville keeps you young, and makes you, and it's not like, I'm holding down a job. There's something to do every day, and there's a lot going on, and there's another meeting. There's somebody else we need to talk to. There's a lot of questions. There's a lot of people out here who need these answers, and they need somebody who can help them out. So hopefully I can do that for them. So I really like it.